What if, one night, every human on Earth pointed a laser at the moon? At the exact same time, would it glow red, change color, melt, orient, break out of orbit entirely? It sounds like science fiction, but let's aim high and ask, what if everyone on Earth aimed a laser at the moon? First things first, not everyone can see the moon at the same time. So let's bend the rules a bit. Let's gather all 8 billion people into one mega laser party. Somewhere between Africa and Asia, where most of the population lives. The moon is rising, it's a clear night, and it's a quarter moon, so we can compare the bright and dark sides. Everyone's holding a laser pointer, the classic red 5 milliwatt type. Legal, safe, and kinda underwhelming. Okay, on the count of 3. Fire. 1 billion red beams shoot toward the moon, and nothing, that's right, absolutely nothing happens. See, even though these lasers do reach the moon, they're spread out over its entire surface. Combined, they generate only about 30 megawatts of light. Compare that to the sun, which hits the moon with 6 petawatts. That's 200 million times stronger. In other words, your laser pointer is a firefly next to a supernova. Fine, let's upgrade. What if every human had a 1-watt laser? Dangerous, powerful, illegal in most places, because they can blind you or start fires. But let's say we all got safety glasses and government clearance. This time the moon does get a little brighter, about half a lux. That's still dimmer than moonlight itself. Yes, you heard that right. Even with 8 billion watts of laser power, the moon is still mostly lit by the sun. All right, ditch the lasers. Let's give everyone a night sun. The massive searchlights used by police helicopters, putting out 50,000 lumens each. We'll attach giant lenses so they focus on the moon instead of lighting up parking lots. Now, things are getting spicy. The moon's dark side starts glowing. We've actually doubled the ambient light in some parts. Let's get cinematic. Give everyone an IMAX projector. Million lumen monsters. Water-cooled, loud, overkill. Filtered through red, blue, green lenses. Earth turns into a disco ball. This time, the moon is definitely glowing. A soft red hue appears on its dark side. We've done it. We've visibly changed the moon from Earth. But wait. We want more. Now we go military. The Boeing YAL-1, a 747 retrofitted with a megawatt-class laser cannon. Real thing. We give one to everyone. Power grid, melted. Oil reserves, gone in minutes. But hey, the moon is now as bright as the mid-morning sun. This is insane light output. The lunar surface starts heating, dust starts to lift. But we're still not done. Let's go full sci-fi. Now imagine every square meter of Asia has a megawatt laser, 50 trillion beams, non-stop. The moon begins to vaporize, molten rock becomes plasma, a glowing layer builds up. Then it happens. That plasma blasts off into space, turning the moon into a rocket engine. It starts to move, slowly, then faster. We're pushing the moon out of Earth's orbit. The moon escapes Earth's pull. We watch in horror as it slingshots into a chaotic orbit around the sun. Eventually, it might crash into Mercury, Jupiter, or us. If it hits Earth, we don't get to see the moon glow anymore. We don't get to see anything. So next time you play with a laser pointer, just remember what could happen if everyone aimed theirs at the moon. Maybe just wave at it instead. And if you enjoyed this cosmic experiment, hit like, share with your laser-happy friends, and subscribe for more insane what-ifs that bend science and your mind.